Welcome to video 4.4, Mash It Up, Pinning Visuals to Dashboards. In the previous video, we explored bullet charts, an essential visualization for metrics with targets. In this video, we'll publish reports from Power BI Desktop to the web and start pinning visuals to our strategic dashboard. If you recall Section 1, Power BI has a desktop to web workflow where visuals from reports get pinned to dashboards. In this video, we'll see that workflow in action. We'll upload 3 of our reports to Power BI and mash them up into a dashboard. Let's start with the oldest of the 3, our pharmacy KPIs from Section 1. Open up your report from Video 1.4, or from Code Files under Section 1 PBIX, look for Drug Data Video 1.4.pbix. If you don't see your name up here in the title bar at the top right, you'll need to click here to log in to Power BI. Once you're logged in, you can hit Publish. Select My Workspace. This may take a while. In the meantime, let's open up our tactical dashboard. So open up your final dashboard from Section 3, or Code Files Section 3 PBIX, Section 3 Video 3.5.pbix. Let's make sure we're looking at the front page, the Funnel tab, just to save some time later. Again, click Publish, select My Workspace, and this will publish the entire report, all 3 pages, to Power BI. Finally, open up your report from last video, or Code Files, Section 4, PBIX, Section 4, Video 4.3.pbix, and click Publish. Again, hit Select. When this one finishes publishing, we'll have a look at it in the Power BI service. So click Open Section 4, Video 4.3.pbix in Power BI, and go find that report in your workspace. So click My Workspace, Reports, Section 4, Video 4.3. Let's pin the year-over-year KPI and bullet chart. So in the Power BI service, visuals gain a pin icon in the top right that lets you assign the visual to a dashboard. This mashup ability is perfect for building strategic dashboards. So we click Pin. We're going to create a new dashboard, call it Strategic Dashboard, and hit Pin. Dismiss that for now. Let's also pin the bullet charts. Pin, Existing Dashboard, Strategic Dashboard, Pin. Let's have a look. Click Go to Dashboard. It has the KPI and the bullet chart. By default, the tiles are all the same size and added left to right, top to bottom, as we pin them. Good start. Now that we've pinned some grocery visuals, let's pin some of our pharmacy visuals to the strategic dashboard. Mixing datasets like this is the dashboard's strength. So, again, My Workspace, Reports, and this time we're looking for Drug Data Video 1.4. We want the year-to-date visual at the bottom here. Click Pin, Existing Dashboard, Strategic Dashboard, Pin. Now let's grab the rest of our pharmacy data from the tactical dashboard. So close that. This time we'll take a slightly more direct path. Click the caret next to My Workspace and scroll down to Section 3, Video 3.5, and click on that. Now, a funnel will serve just as well on a strategic dashboard as on a tactical one. The vertical funnel is probably more familiar to our users and a bit higher level, so we'll pin that one. Click on it, click Pin, Strategic Dashboard, Pin. Now let's add the high-level overview map. Click the Location tab. I'm specifically thinking of the choropleth map here in the bottom left. Pin, Strategic Dashboard, and Pin. Dismiss that, and let's have a look at the dashboard. Dismiss that as well, so now we have all of our tiles. Let's clean them up a bit. We'll make the left column our pharmacy overview, and the right our groceries. Crucially for a strategic dashboard, we want everything to fit on one screen. So let's shrink these KPIs. To do this, you grab this little caret gripper in the lower right corner. Power BI visuals exist on an implicit grid, and you can see where they're going to snap to by following the gray background square. The smallest is 1 by 1. By default, they're 2 by 2. We're going to go with 2 wide by 1 high for the KPIs for now. Now we want this one, year over year, to be over here on the grocery side, and year-to-date on the top of the pharmacy side. We want the funnel over on the pharmacy side, as well as the map. Now, we're running out of space on our dashboard, so we're going to shrink the funnel up and remove some of its titles. We'll go Edit Details, untick Display Title and Subtitle, Apply. Let's drag the map up, give it the same treatment. Snap it to the next size down, and again, Edit Details, turn off the subtitles, Apply. If we hit F11 to go full screen, we can see that everything fits completely. Next video, we'll polish off our strategic dashboard with some media tiles.